How can a 6-foot man maintain a healthy weight?
Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how a 6-foot man can maintain a healthy weight. This is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good and ensuring long-term health. Maintaining a healthy weight involves a balanced diet, regular exercise, and making lifestyle choices that promote well-being.
What is a healthy weight for a 6-foot man?
For a man who is 6 feet tall, a healthy weight is typically considered to be between 140 and 183 pounds. This is based on the Body Mass Index, BMI, calculation which, while not perfect, gives a reasonable estimate for most people. It is important to remember, however, that everyone's body is different. Muscle mass, bone density, and other factors can influence what a healthy weight might be for you. Therefore, you should consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice.
How to maintain a balanced diet?
A balanced diet is crucial to maintaining a healthy weight. This means consuming a variety of foods in the right proportions. You should aim for a mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats in your diet. Lean proteins such as chicken, fish, and legumes are excellent choices. You should also aim to eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains for fiber and vitamins. Limit your intake of processed foods, which can be high in unhealthy fats and sugars. Drink plenty of water, and try to avoid sugary drinks and excessive alcohol.
How important is regular exercise?
Regular exercise is another key component of maintaining a healthy weight. For most adults, it's recommended to get at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity every week. You should also aim to include strength training exercises at least twice a week. Remember, this is a general guideline. The best type and amount of exercise for you can vary depending on your current fitness level and overall health. So, it's a good idea to consult with a fitness professional or your healthcare provider to determine an exercise plan that's right for you.
What lifestyle choices can help?
Maintaining a healthy weight is not just about diet and exercise. It also involves making healthy lifestyle choices. This could include things like getting enough sleep, managing stress, and avoiding sedentary behavior. Studies show that people who don't get enough sleep or who are frequently stressed may have a harder time maintaining a healthy weight. Similarly, sitting for long periods of time can be harmful to your health, even if you get regular exercise. So, try to ensure you're getting at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Find healthy ways to manage stress like meditation or yoga, and try to break up long periods of sitting with short walks or stretches. To wrap things up, maintaining a healthy weight as a 6-foot man is about a balance of diet, exercise, and lifestyle choices. It's important to remember that every person's body is different, so you should consult with healthcare professionals for advice tailored to your needs. Your goal should be overall well-being, not just a number on the scale. We hope this guide has been helpful and wish you the best on your journey to a healthier life.